channel. Just kidding, today it's David and I together.
Always Alyssa.
Oh.
Take off your,
Hey guys, today we're doing the Pringles challenge.
Woohoo!
There's gonna be 11 rounds. We're both gonna try a chip of the same flavor blindfolded. First to guess it gets a point. So here's the 11 flavors we got, or more like the only flavors that we could find. So we have barbecue here, and of course original.
Gotta have original.
Cheddar cheese, I love cheddar cheese. And
Honey mustard.
no.
Oh, he's gonna hate that one.
I hate honey mustard.
Sour cream and onion, I love that one.
I didn't even realize we got honey mustard. I bet ranch
Sour
was good.
cream, or cheddar and sour cream, salt and vinegar, my favorite. I'm gonna totally ace that round. Parmesan and roasted garlic.
That's gonna be great. I can't wait for that.
Pizza.
That's gonna be so good too. Well, at least I hope.
Whoever gets the most points out of 11 rounds is the winner.
Well, what does the winner get?
Bragging rights.
Oh, cool. What about the loser?
You're about to find out.
Oh no.
The winner gets to choose out of this glorious basket what the loser gets to eat.
Fruit. I love fruit.
Do you? Moldy bananas?
If I win.
Yummy!
Oh no.
I know what I'm gonna choose out of this basket. I'm gonna give you one of these disgusting
Oh no. Oh great.
So you better try to win.
There's no way I'm gonna eat that. That looks disgusting.
Let's set this aside and begin the challenge.
Okay.
We're gonna prepare for round one.
Is this
Hopefully
normal?
I
I
win.
can't see.
Yeah, that's the whole
It's
point.
supposed to be like that. Oh.
Okay, you guys both ready?
Yes.
Put your hand on the table. When I say go, you can put the chip in your mouth. On your mark. Get set. Go.
Ranch? Sour cream and onion.
No.
Salt vinegar.
No.
Honey mustard?
Yep.
Yes!
It actually wasn't as bad as I expected.
I didn't really expect that flavor to be honey mustard. It didn't really taste like it.
Took you guys 4 or 5 guesses before you got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, you guys ready?
Yeah.
On your mark. Get set. Go.
Pizza?
Nope.
Cheddar.
Oh! Is it cheddar?
Keep guessing.
Oh.
Barbecue?
Oh. What's it called? The something cheddar. It's in the blue can.
Oh, cheddar sour cream.
You got it.
Yes!
The onion sour cream.
So-
thing.
Cheddar and sour cream.
Yeah.
I think David's blue can hint helped Alyssa win that round.
Yeah. I couldn't remember the name of the flavor.
But you had half of it. You had the cheddar part. Okay, before the next round, I'm going to give you guys 10 seconds to study the flavors. Okay, 10 seconds is up. Round 3. On your mark. Get set, go.
Barbecue.
Barbecue. It has to be barbecue.
Is it not barbecue? Is
Parmesan
pizza?
garlic.
No, it was barbecue.
Okay.
I just
Oh.
wanted to see you guys keep guessing.
It's really good.
I got the right answer. She just said it faster than I did.
I can't help, I'm just really good at guessing chip flavors.
Okay, round 4. On your mark. Get set, go.
Pizza.
Good job, David.
Oh,
knew it.
wow.
And
that's
David's on the
pizza?
scoreboard.
Whoa. This one tastes really interesting.
That's
Whoa,
so
look.
good.
Open your blindfold. They're like two-colored.
Oh, cool.
That's cool.
I think this is about time for a big Judith David comeback.
Not
Don't you
yet.
think?
Round 5. On your mark. Get set, go.
Oh, the vinegar one.
Sour cream and onion,
No, it's
right?
cheddar something. I can't remember the name
This
of it.
has to be sour cream and onion.
No, salt and vinegar.
No,
I think it's salt and vinegar.
I think it's sour cream and onion.
Because neither of you got the correct answer, I'm going to mix that back in with the other chips and bring it up in a new round.
Okay.
Round 6. On your mark, get set, go.
Original.
Original.
You got it.
Yay!
Round 7 on your mark. Get set, go.
What is that?
Sour cream and onion.
Ding, ding, ding.
Really? Oh.
Good job, David. And David's coming up with 2 points. Alyssa, you've got 4 points.
Round
8 on your mark. Get set, go.
Salt
Salt and
vinegar.
Ooh, Alyssa started saying it first, but you ended up saying it
And then you
pretty much at the
stumbled.
same time because
Okay.
David said it really
I
fast.
stumbled, but so I had to fix what I said, but I knew it first.
I've decided that even though David said it really fast, because Alyssa started speaking first, she gets to win that round.
Yes!
What?
I'm one step closer to making you eat a moldy banana.
Round 9 on your mark. Get set, go.
Cheddar.
David with the
Yeah.
narrow victory.
Dang it.
That was so close, just like the last round, but David was the one first.
I think I'm catching up. Hope you like moldy bananas.
Whatever. I'll still win.
I doubt it.
Round 10 on your mark. Get set, go.
Oh, whoa. The garlic parmesan one.
Ding, ding, ding.
Oh, yes. Oh, that's a really strong flavor.
What do you think of it, David?
It's,
Whoa.
this is probably the best one I've tried all day.
It's really good, but it's super strong.
I ate
Wow.
like 3 of them because the first one's
Oh.
broken, and then I had to
It's
eat
so
that
good.
and a few
Oh
more.
my gosh, it's so good.
Our last and final round, round 11 on your mark. Get set, go.
Ranch.
Oh, and David with the narrow victory.
I knew it was ranch because it's the last round and we didn't try that flavor.
Well, I was gonna guess ranch.
We haven't tasted ranch and this is the last round, so it has to be ranch.
True.
Why don't you taste it, David? Does it taste like one you've already had?
Well,
This was a round 5 one you guys didn't kiss.
I see. Okay.
Wow.
But David still gets the point, I guess, even though it almost seems like cheating.
I didn't cheat, I remembered.
So we completed all 11 rounds, and we've only completed 10 flavors though. And that's because we actually had only 10 flavors because I bought 2 pizzas.
Oh.
So what we're gonna do is a double or nothing round to give David a chance to still win.
Uh-oh.
So I'm gonna pick any of these flavors, and if David gets it first, he gets 2 points, and he'll wind up being the winner.
Oh my gosh, so scary.
For round 12, the final winner-take-all round. On your mark, get set, go.
Salt and vinegar.
Barbecue.
And Alyssa is the winner.
I knew it.
Careful!
I just didn't say it. I'm kidding. You should be the one eating the moldy banana. You broke the chair.
Oh well.
What the heck? How did you even manage to do that?
I don't know.
We're gonna pick up the chair and try barely bounce.
Well, I still win. Oh my gosh.
Wow. I fixed it. No more horse player. I'm sending you to Miss Johnson's office.
You're gonna send me to my own office?
Yes.
Anyway, since I won, I'm going to choose the worst banana in this bucket. Oh yeah?
My chair gets higher than yours.
Whatever. Stop trying to distract me. Which one would be the gooeyest?
Oh no.
Maybe this one, because it's already open.
That's disgusting.
Ew, look, it's like soggy.
Oh my gosh. That's disgusting.
Let's read it out some more. No,
I don't want to eat that.
It's so soggy.
Oh my gosh. Maybe you should have to eat that for breaking the chair.
No, but let's make it extra.
Oh my- No.
Wait, I have to take a video of it before you eat it.
Gosh, I don't think I'm gonna taste that. That's literally disgusting. Why did I agree to the challenge? Oh my gosh, it looks mushier than something Hana left in the grass this morning.
Okay, well, it doesn't even peel, right? Ooh.
Oh
Whoa, what?
gosh.
Oh, it's so mushy. You
Ew.
have to touch your tongue to it.
Oh,
Come on, we put these in banana bread in all the time. It's not too bad.
disgusting.
Look, it looks like applesauce. It's fine.
ew.
Yeah.
Disgusting.
Okay, now eat it. Or at least eat some. You have to since you lost. Just touch your tongue to it. Not too hard. Oh, you have to. You
No, I
absolutely
know.
have to.
That's
You
so
literally
gross.
lost. Come on. It's just a banana.
Well, I hosted the challenge.
But you lost. And you made a deal in the beginning that you would eat it if you lost.
Hold on, let's rewind. Did that actually happen? Did I agree?
The winner gets to choose out of this glorious basket. What? The loser gets to eat moldy bananas.
Okay. Oh, I guess I did agree to it.
Yeah. So you have to eat it. Or at least just a little bit.
I know it's pretty dumb. You want me to sniff it?
Yeah, just sniff
Oh,
it
no.
at least. Eat it, eat it.
No, it's gonna fall.
Oh my gosh, you're literally so scared. It's fine.
I'll barely touch my tongue to it.
See, look, ready? It's fine.
But after what you just tried to do to me, you have to go sit on the beanbag.
Fine. But I have to be able to see you.
Okay.
I'm watching.
Okay.
You better actually touch your tongue to it. No. Move your hand. You have to actually do it.
Okay.
No. You have to actually do it.
Okay, stay on the beanbag.
Fine.
I'm thinking. Okay, I touched it.
Ah, that's it?
Yeah.
Oh, come
That
on.
counts.
You're so scared. Such a scaredy cat. Wow.
I didn't even taste it.
Ah.
But I bet if I did, it would be good. I'm kidding. Okay, your turn.
Nope, I didn't lose. It's like a boat.
Speeding through the water. I bet if you did donuts.
Whoa! Dang.
Well, I hope you enjoyed watching my Pringles challenge. Thanks for watching.
Bye. Since it's your video, you have to clean up the bed.
Oh no. Oh great. No, I'm not cleaning it up.